Welcome to our Polytunnel weekly update, everybody, and this is a video where I share with you how things are growing in our raised beds and in our new developed area of the Polytunnel, and I'm absolutely loving it. Things are growing now and it's getting exciting, so hopefully we'll get some great harvests in here. Fingers crossed. That is what we want after all this work that we've put in here, and hopefully we'll get some great things growing. So less of the talking and let's get showing you what's happening here in the Polytunnel. So things are starting to look absolutely amazing here in the Polytunnel, absolutely fantastic. Things are growing, things are coming along, and yeah, let's go through each bed and show you what's happening. So this is our spinach. We've got plenty of spinach growing, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some decent spinach. We're going to pick it when it's young and when it's got quite a few leaves on it, so we're not going to let them grow too big. So that's the spinach bed. We've got absolutely loads of radish, absolutely loads. Look at this. I definitely should have thinned those out better. We've obviously got peas all the way down the back. That one's popped out. Get back in. But yeah, we've got peas all the way down the back of each bed, so hopefully we'll get loads of peas as well. But lots of radish in there. Also radishes in there. A bit more better thinned out than other bed. But yeah, lots and lots of radish. In this bed, what have we got in here? Pak choy. We've got pak choy in here. So first time ever trying to grow that. It's new to me, so we'll give that a try and see how well they go. The peas do like to push themselves out. Get back in. We don't want the mice seeing you. And in this bed I've just got peas at the back, but we need to put some stuff in the front bit. We've still got to decide what to do on that one. We've got mixed lettuce leaves in this one. So that's like cut and come again lettuce. So that'll be nice for the salads. In this one, we've got beetroot popping through. Lots of beetroot. So hopefully some decent beetroot grows. I'm looking forward to that. In this one, it's full of spring onions. They're starting to pop through. We've got loads of spring onions in this bed, so we're going to have loads of them. In this one is our carrot bed. Now I did spot some carrots there, popping through, just starting to germinate. So hopefully we'll get a first good harvest of carrots. I've never had a good harvest of carrots before, but yeah, fingers crossed. In this one we've got lettuce. Doesn't seem to have germinated yet. I think we planted them like a week later than the other side. So yeah, hopefully they'll germinate this week. We've got iceberg in here. No signs of that yet. We've got peas in the back of here. We've still got something to plant in the front of it. We've got as white pineberry strawberries, which I'll have shared a video on that. Hopefully you've seen it, showing you how well, showing you a new variety of strawberries, what we've never grown before. So even more strawberries, but these taste pineapple, which will be unbelievable. We've also pinched out sweet peas, so we're leaving them out to get a bit of fresh air and keep them watered easier. Then we've got peas in the back of these, like I said. And then I've got some peas in some trays here, what are going to be for outside as well. So yeah, lots and lots of peas growing. And obviously we've got all the strawberry hanging baskets, but that'll be in a separate video, giving you the weekly update on that. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos down at the allotment. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.